Let's see how to delete WordPress website and start over in Hostinger. So at first we will delete our WordPress website. Log into your WordPress website dashboard. Here you will see the hosting section. Click on manage from here. Now from the left menu select your domain name. Now click on website and select auto installer. Here you will see the WordPress installation. Click on this 3 dots button and then click on delete. Now check these checkboxes and then click on delete again. And as you can see that our old WordPress website is now deleted. Now to create a new website, again from the website menu click on auto installer and select WordPress from here. Now we need to add our website title, our administrator email, username and password. After that we are going to click on next from here and now click on install from here. And as you can see that WordPress is now installing on our domain. So as you can see that WordPress is now reinstalled on our domain and hosting. So click on WordPress admin from here. And right now we are in the dashboard of our WordPress website that we have just created. And here you can see that it's a brand new WordPress installation. So this is how you can delete WordPress website and reinstall WordPress again in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.